Welcome to Beyblade World by ZANKYE. We are in the amazing Tokyo, Japan, and today we are gonna be doing some amazing videos. So today for our Beyblade show, as you can see, we have all the CHO-Z BEYS here, and VISE Leopard is going to be trying to challenge against all of them. So another question probably we're going to get in the comments, if we didn't get already, is the lift frame. I'm going to switch it for each battle, so one where it's down, one where it's up, to see how it does. We're going to be doing it against all of them, including Hazard Kirbyus, which we don't have the stock combo for it yet. That's going to be coming in a set, and we don't actually have Atomic with us or anything like that. So we're going to be doing up to, we're going to be doing up to 3 rounds in this stadium. And Crash Ragnarok, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. If it wasn't over in 2 seconds, I wouldn't believe it's a good CHO-Z Bey.
It's you.
Yeah, okay. Well, hold on. We got to flip the frame. So let us do that. So, yeah, 2-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. The frame is up of lift, so I don't know who's gonna get it. Is it gonna be Crash Ragnarok? VISE Leopard, don't fail me. It was stamina. It was for stamina, but let's do another round. This is like stupid versus stupid. Okay, so with the frame, when lift is up, it's not good. So I thought I'm gonna do the whole thing where it's gonna be top bottom. It's only gonna be in the bottom. So VISE Leopard is only a bottom type of Bey. So yeah, let's move on to our next Bey, and hopefully it won't be Valkyrie. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I don't even know how to respond to this. Okay. Well, 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 1-2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Come on, big boy. What you gonna do now? Reverse me? No. Win. 2-all. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Whoa. Let's. Alright, I want to do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. It's running away. So let's see if when I hit it at the end. Do we give it to VISE Leopard or winning?
VISE Leopard.
We'll give it to VISE Leopard. See Achilles, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, now we're hitting Z Achilles. Oh, and extend this tall, by the way. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Okay. Z Achilles, 1, 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Z Achilles, 2-4. Wow. Okay, let's try the extend on a low height. We'll do 1 round and see if it's any different. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. I did knock it to the side, but I want to try to push the Bey in to see what happens. Yeah, so pretty split, but Z Achilles got that one for the most part. So next Bey is 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Yeah, okay, so Emperor Fornius 0-2. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Emperor Fornius, let's do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Alright, I don't care. So it's Emperor Fornius, next bay. Bloody Longinus, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Whoa, big jumps. Who's it gonna be? Vice Leopard, 1-0. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Look at how well Bloody's doing. Alright, 2-0. We'll do one more round. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Two, 1. Salamander, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Went from 10 to 5, so let's see if it's any different. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Okay. One all. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. All right. Oh, I was just trying to knock it out just to put it back in. All right, but that is Vice Leopard. So next bay, Archer Hercules. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. What a useless frame. All right, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. It's not gonna do anything to Archer. You're nothing, Vice Leopard. Yeah, you're nothing. Trash. All right, 3-0. We'll do one more. 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. I swear to God. Archer Hercules, yay! All right, so let's move on to Hazard Kirby. All right, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. It should be able to be my stock combo. If Hazard bursts you, thank God. All right, next bay, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Who's it gonna be? I still bursted it, so Phoenix, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. Let's see how this is gonna go. Can I knock off the armor? I can, but then after I just lost, so 1, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. I'm not gonna hit it. So I'm not too sure how I feel on Vice Leopard. Not really positive. Alright, 2-0. We'll do one more round. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go, shoot. My left frame is up, so let's see how I do. Knocked out the armor. Alright. That was Vice Leopard against all of the CHO-Z Beys. My overall thoughts out of 10, not too positive. I think it needs a better combo. I think the stock combo is bad. I think the lair has a lot of potential, because I was talking with my good friend Maruti about the Bey, and he even said himself too that stock combo is not really all that good. So recommends me your best attack combo for Vice Leopard in the comment section below. There is some combos for the guy, but sometimes the combos aren't 100%. So I'm curious to see that, and comment your thoughts on what else we should do with Vice Leopard. That was an amazing video. Make sure to hit that like button, show your support, subscribe if you haven't already, and if you already are subscribed, make sure you click that bell to be notified for uploads, and as always, have an awesome burst-filled day.